The one thing though is it looks kind of like I misted Q4 up in the air and, you know, just woo, all wrong. What's going on, everybody? The time is now. It's time to scalp this back here, make things ugly, because we are on the road to Bluemuda. And to get this party started, it's time to dust the cobwebs off the old McLean and have at it. So pass one is done behind me with the McLean, and you're probably wondering to yourself, why the hell am I not using a grass catcher? Well, with the roller on the front of it, there's little bumps in there, and it doesn't fit that well on the lowest setting, and it'll just keep getting knocked off. And I didn't feel like emptying it every like 5 seconds. So now I'm going to go over it with the rotary, with the bag on, so it's in suck mode. We're going to suck up all those clippings. I don't mind emptying the bag because you can pack those things in there really, really well. Then we're going to start on pass number 2. Okay, so we have 2 passes now, finished with the old dirty girl back there. Oh yeah. With the cleanup in the vacuum suck rotary though, I ended up taking like 4 bags of clippings where the first I only had 2. So I got down a lot deeper this go around. Probably sucked up a lot of clippings that were buried down in there where I broke them free. And now this is where I'm going to do this as many times as it takes with the McLean to get it where I want it. And then once that's finished, if it's still not low enough, we will break out the Toro and we will go really low as I can get it with my current setup of bed knife combo and all that. But that's it for day 1. It is sun setting behind me and it is a school night, so you gotta do what you gotta do. That's some pure and total destruction behind me. End of day 2. The ground is now ready for seed, or about as close to ready as I can get it without having to go get a bunch of fancy heavy-duty machinery. And the one thing though is it looks kind of like I misted Q4 up in the air and, you know, just woo, all wrong. So this was a ton of work. I did 2 passes yesterday and I don't really know how many passes I did. I think it ended up being a total of about 4 more passes today. I broke it up and I did it in sections. So like I did way in the back first, then I kind of did this bottom area here, then this area here, and that kind of helped it go along a little bit better than yesterday. I made better time today somehow, but the clipping amount, the clipping volume has been absolutely insane. Let's go take a look at that. Look at that. Absolute total madness. What you want to do is just, it's essentially a spring scalp again, very late in the season, way beyond when you normally would do it. You want to see some dirt here. This looks really good. I'll be able to get excellent seed to soil contact. I won't need to bring in a slit seeder or any of that stuff, and the slit seeder would just make even more of a mess. And this method worked last year. I did the exact same thing. I don't think I did it this aggressively though. This is a lot lower than what I did last year, and my front test plot turned out okay, so now I'm just upping it by a whole lot of square feet. So that's it for the prep. I'm beat, I'm exhausted, I'm sweaty and nasty. Next up is the seed, so stay tuned for that one. So thank you all for watching. Any questions on this, please drop them below. And man, y'all have a fantastic evening. We'll see you.